So if you look at how to run a stress analysis on this part, it's very simple. So we go to, first of all, you have to assign material, or during the analysis you can override the material and just assign the material again. But just let me show you how to assign material to this mechanical part. Go to material. I'll be assigning is already in Arduino 6061, so you should just click this arrow. You say a material appearance with the same name exists already. So once you just click that arrow, you see assign, then you assign the material. So the material is already existed. It's already existing in this part. So all you have to do is to just go to environment, go to stress analysis. You know, in this toolbar, this V1, there is only two tools that is open, which is stress study and finish analysis. The others they are locked up, they are closed. So for you to open them, you have to create a study. You can rename this by part 1. So you can rename this by part 1. Part 1. It's a single point. So let's say okay, everything remains the same. It's not open all the rest of the video. So you can start from here, assign material, constraints, load, contact, mesh, solve, from left to right, or you can go to your browser, material browser, and use them from up to down. So here you already have material assigned to it. So I'll go straight to contact, fix contact. So let me fix the back here. Okay, apply. So I already fixed the contact here. Then I will go to loads. So in this load, we have force, we have pressure, we have moment, we have bearing loads, we have gravity. So I'll use force. So let's assume there is a force. Once you lock it up, there is a force acting down on this plate. Let's call it a force of 1000 Newton. Apply. And let's assume there is an opposite force acting on this plate. Let's call it a force of 500. Apply. So that's it. Now after doing that, contact will be Inventor is very sensitive that you can run contacts on its own and give you an accurate result on that contact. So we say automatic contact, it will just complete an automatic contact. Now there is something I need to show you. So anyone we are doing, it will be popping up an arrow. Let's go to this show all materials. You see that that aluminum 661 is already existing. Contact, are you seeing that contact is there? Once you just touch it, it will show you there the contact is fixed. So that's for that. Loads, you say that yes, it has both a vertical and horizontal load added to it. So if you click on load, that load will show you the magnitude of the load that you applied. I'll click on the second load, show you the magnitude of load we applied. So for that load, for contacts, I think that's really wrong. That means there is no contact that is existing in this. So mesh is Inventor is just like a finite element analysis, FE analysis. So that is a numerical calculation method that finds approximate solution for problems ranging from easy to very complex. So it divides a heat problem into a small and simpler parts to calculate into small and simpler parts. The calculation will be done on these smaller and simpler parts one by one. So for us to create a mesh, you can just create the mesh automatically. Yes, so it has divided into smaller parts. So now we can say simulate. So this will take a little time, but definitely it will simulate. So you do not say run. So it's quite easy and faster. So now, are you seeing it? So look at it. So this is from Mrs. Stress. From Mrs. Stress, look at it. This is where the stress is maximum. The stress is maximum. Once it's applying a force both horizontal and vertical, this is where the stress is much. You know, if there is going to be any breakage, the breakage will come from this point. That is the maximum 1.928. So if we want to, let's see a video of how it will be happening. Are you seeing it? Once the force is being applied, you know, there is always a stress at this age. So if there's going to be any breakage, it will definitely start from that point. It will definitely start from that point to happen. So it's either you increase it's either you change the material that you're using, you know, to increase the strength. You understand the strength that is to increase the strength so that it can withstand the stress, or it can withstand the force, or you increase the thickness more so that it can withstand the force. So another thing, let's look at the displacement and see the actual displacement of this part. So looking at it, if you look at it, there is a little displacement here. So this little displacement is the actual displacement. So we're going to first principle or stress analysis. We'll be seeing them. The stress is still at that particular area. Third principle, the stress is still much at that particular point. So that is it. If you still want to generate a report, general report about the stress analysis, you have to come to this point. Study. You are using everything. So anywhere you are not using, you have to select. Go to formats. If you want to save it as web page, yes. If you want to save it as text, let it enter into Word format. You can create that and say okay. So it will start generating everything, completing it one by one into a Word format called generated. So the physical properties of the material, density, physical properties of that particular mechanical part you are analyzing, analysis on the material used, and your density of the material, the density of that material, mass, area, volume, center of gravity, everything is there. So look at the magnitude, the force one, magnitude of the force one applied, and it is applied at y-axis. Look at it. Look at the contact. Look at another force 2, which is applied at x-axis. Constraints, summary of everything done. Look at it. For missing stress, that. So this is the report. So it is around 55 pages. 55 pages. So that's it. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel and be blessed.